Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I managed to replace the leaking radiator or heater matrix inside the dashboard without disassemble the entire dashboard. So first of all, the symptoms is leaking radiator, leaking coolnet fluid on the passenger and driver side carpet. And of course it's leaking from inside the radiator. So what's held the radiator in its place is only the pipes connected to it. Meaning when I will cut over here the radiator hose, I can just pull the radiator to the right and replace it with a new one, and I will connect the gap with a flexible rubber hose. And this is the main idea of this fix. Here you can see how it looks after I pulled out the radiator. Of course you need to clean all of the area and the pipes itself with a file after you cut it, because you don't want any metal debris inside the coolant system. This is comparison of the old and the new radiator. The connector itself is a little bit flexible and you can change the angle of it. So actually these two radiator is identical. Here you can see the new radiator in its place, and to insert it I just pull this metal beam a little bit outside from the dashboard, and it will give you a little bit more room to insert the new radiator cleanly. Finally, I will gap the two hoses with a rubber hose, and I put some seal net on the hose so it will be better grip. So the rubber hose will better grip the metal one. Here is the final result. The actual gap was a little bit bigger, so the